Hello friends, Radhe Radhe everyone. So in this video we will discuss the section 128, which is the section about the maintenance of the books of accounts, like how to maintain the books of accounts, where to maintain and for what period, and if books are in electronic mode, then what are the procedure and what are the norms prescribed in section 128. This is section 128 of the Companies Act 2013, and it is also a part of the chapter number 11 of the CA Inter Accountancy subject. So you can consider that chapter also, and also it is useful in the Companies Act also, in the CA final and CA Inter both. But now the CA final, the law subject has been removed, but this section generally is used in taxation also, and also it's very useful for the practical purpose, I will say. In practically you have to check that how to maintain the books of accounts, then this section is referred. And but today time it is very much useful in the section in the Companies Act or in the company law subject of CA Inter as well as accountancy, chapter number 11, maintenance of books of accounts. So let's move. If you have any query, then you can put in the comment box, and I hope it will be useful for you and you will be benefited from it. And please like this video if you like, and share to others so that others can take benefit of it. And please subscribe the channel so that I feel more encouraged to post more educational videos for all of you guys. So let's move ahead. Books of account maintained in electronic mode, section 128. These are the norms for the section for the electronic mode books. Books of account and other relevant books and papers maintained in electronic mode, first of all, shall remain accessible in India at all times so as to be usable for subsequent reference. Okay? We have to maintain the books in electronic mode in such a way that we can access those books in India at all times for the subsequent reference. If we have to check some any information, then we can refer, and we can have access of those books in India. This is the main concept of this paragraph, that the books should be maintained in such a way that we can access them for future reference or the subsequent reference, and at all times, like not for just a half year and then it becomes invisible, or it got deleted or something like that. So it should be maintained in such a form that we can have proper access of the records and the books. Okay. So next point is, books of accounts and other relevant books shall be retained in the format in which they were originally generated, sent or received, or in a format which present the information correctly. So main purpose is that the books of account should be maintained or should be retained in the format in which they were generated. We should not alter the records as per our convenience or as per our lack of knowledge. We make changes in the information. So information, there should be a proper record of the information, that this was the raw information, and we have make the summarized reports from that information, and you can present the information in a better way, but you should not change the original or the sourced information. Okay. So main concept is we can make changes in the information, we can for the better presentation, or we can make the information as a more presentable, but the source of the information or the original information should be maintained as well. So this point is focusing on that aspect. Okay. So now is the third point, that information contained in electronic records should be remain complete and unaltered. Okay, so the information should be complete. Completeness is the most important aspect of the information. That information should be complete, not like half, and then because if the information will be half, then or misleading information, it will be called as a misleading information, and it will become unusable. Okay, so the information should be complete and unaltered, and we should not alter whimsically or something like that. Okay, so information received from branch offices shall not be altered and shall be maintained in original form as received. I have already said the information sourced information should be maintained in that sourced form, and we can make the reports, we can make the more presentable information from that. We can extract the information for making them more presentable, but the sourced information should not be altered, because that is the we can use that we can use it for the future reference, that this information we have received from the branches. Okay, so it will be maintained in the original form and shall not be altered. Okay, so next is the information in e-record shall be capable of being displayed in a legible form. In a legible form means the presentable form. Okay, so जो information in e-record से shall be capable of being displayed in a legible form, presentable form. So information should be information in e-record should be in a presentable form. Okay, so next is sixth point, there should be proper system for storage, retrieval, display or printout of the electronic records as the audit committee deems appropriate. Okay, so there should be first of all, we have read the points related to the recording of the information. Now the act is saying that there should be proper system for storage, information should be properly stored. There should be not like you have just recorded the information and then you don't have a proper the system for the storage of the books and the records. So there should be proper system for storage. Retrieval means you can if you want to access, then you can have a proper access, and display and the presentable and the printout, you can print out the information, because in electronic way you have to maintain in the laptop or some electronic media, and then there should be system for the printout of that information if you need that in a physical form. So act is saying about that there should be proper system for storage, retrieval, display or printout of the e-records as the audit committee deems appropriate. Okay, now there is a seventh point, that such records shall not be disposed of unless permitted by the law. Okay, so it is a self-explanatory point, I think, that such records shall not be displayed of unless permitted by the law. Disposed of नहीं करना चाहिए जब तक कि वो जब तक लॉ परमिट ना करे information को. Okay, now about the backup of data, because electronic records data may be deleted or data may be hacked or data may be lost due to any reason. So there should be a proper backup system of the data. So what are the procedure for that? Act is saying that backup of the records shall be kept in servers physically located in India on a daily basis. So backup of records shall be kept in servers physically located in India on a daily basis. Sometimes you can put the records on the cloud also, but about the clouds they have mentioned further. If you have a backup, then backup should be at the servers which are located in India on a daily basis. Okay, next is company shall intimate to ROC on annual basis at the time of filing of financial statement. So at the time of filing financial statement, company has to inform the ROC on an annual basis about these four things. These 4 points the company has to mention, and company has to intimate to ROC what the name of the service provider. If you are taking the service of any service provider for maintenance of the electronic records or the backup of your electronic records, then you have to give the information about that service provider to the ROC. That is the name of the service provider, then the internet protocol address of the service provider. Okay, like every company is given a protocol, internet protocol address. So you have to mention that internet protocol address of the service provider, and then location of the service provider, that where the service provider is located. Okay. And then if books are maintained on cloud, if the books are maintained on cloud, the such address as provided by the service provider. You have seen the many companies are maintaining their records on the Microsoft or cloud, and other service providers which are providing the cloud services. So you have to mention about that to the ROC, that we are maintaining the cloud, we are maintaining our documents or the records on the cloud, and this is the service provider. And if you are maintaining the records or the backup like where you are keeping your records or backup of the records, so you have to mention the service provider, internet protocol address of the service provider, and the location of the service provider. So these three things you have to mention to the ROC. So these are the norms for the, let me rewind again about the section, the whole section. That section 128, what is saying that books of account should be maintained in the electronic records. There are the seven norms given, that the information shall be accessible at all times in India, and books of accounts should be retained in the original format, and in the format which present the information correctly. And then the information contained in electronic record should be complete and unaltered. And then information received from branch office should not be altered and shall be kept in original form. And then information in e-records should be capable of being displayed in a presentable form. And then there should be proper system for storage, retrieval, display, or printout of the information. Okay. And then should not be disposed of unless permitted by the law. So what are the 7 points? First of all, access. Okay, if I give a short keywords to this point, that is the access. Okay, that record should be properly accessible to the company. And here is the unaltered, like in the original format. In the original format, the company should maintain the documents. Okay. And now the third is should be complete and unaltered. Okay. And the next one is that received from branch offices shall not be unaltered. Okay. From branch information shall be unaltered. Branch information unaltered. Okay. Now is the should be in a presentable form. Presentable होना चाहिए. Information should be presentable. And then there should be proper system for storage, retrieval. Then here you have to learn maybe 3 points: storage, retrieval, and the display or printout of the e-records. And then there is a disposal, how to dispose unless permitted by the law. Okay, so you have to do in this way. And then the backup, backup you should be should be kept in servers which are physically located in India on a daily basis. A backup should be on a daily basis, and in servers physically located in India. Okay. Then company shall intimate to ROC on annual basis at the time of filing financial statement. The company has to intimate to the ROC about these things, about the backup. They have keep the backup, where they have keep the backup, or who is the service provider, internet protocol address of the service provider, not of the company. It is the IP address of the service provider. And please keep in mind this, that you have to give the IP address of the service provider, not of company. And then location of the service provider. And then if books are maintained on cloud, then provide the address as provided by the service provider, so that if the ROC at any time want to access, then they can access and they can check that you have kept the backup on the clouds. Okay, they can verify that you are maintaining your backup on the clouds. Okay, so it is all about the maintenance of the books in the e-records, because the company exactly want to maintain the books in a proper way, so that shareholders interest may not get affected. Okay, so here it is given in chapter number 11 of the inter accountancy subject. So let's discuss from here. This is the study materials, because I refer the study material for that, like books of accounts maintained in electronic records. Okay, then you get, there is a theory given. I have made the points in the presentable form, so you can read just once. Okay, about these they have given, like for backup, the name of the service provider, internet protocol of the service provider, location, and if in the cloud, then provide the cloud address. Okay, and there should be proper system for the storage, retrieval, display, printout, and yes, and then backuप जो है बुक का, वो इन इंडिया होना चाहिए डेली बेसिस. You should maintain backup, and records should be in a legible form and the same format, not altered format. And then yes, and then in electronic record should be complete and unaltered. Okay, so let's finish here today, and for this time we have this much content, and if you have any query, then you can put in the comment box. I hope you will like and you will enjoy the video very nicely, and wish you all the best for your study. Stay tuned. Radhe Radhe. Bye bye.